Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube. Today is going to be a realistic day in the life as a content creator. But yeah, I just kind of wanted to make this to bring you guys along and to help you have a better understanding of what I do and the people that you see on social media, what they do as well. Obviously everybody is different and I do juggle a lot of things, but yeah, I am up for the challenge. I'm a hard freaking worker and I am happy doing it, and I think that that's the most important part. So let's go ahead and start this video. So every day definitely looks different, but it usually consists of me posting to the gram one of my coffees or my energy products, also press-ons for life. This is me getting ready for the day to shoot some campaigns. This one I'm doing with Wonder Skin, a brow product, and then afterwards I am doing my coaching business, which is my main source of income, and just starting my day off right. So today is definitely a content day, so I'm going to be batching reels. I put together some outfits that I can make some TikToks. I kind of wanted to do more like fashion, I guess you can say. I know that I model for a boutique and I typically do reels with them, but I wanted to just create some looks on my own. Now I'm thinking this is where I'm going to shoot my famous hat wall that I record in front of all of the time. So I wanted to show you the difference that this light box makes. Don't actually know the right terminology, but this is what it looks like without it, and then it almost like spotlights me. Look at how good and lit up and warm that looks. So I only shared a couple of the outfits that I was recording, but if you go and look me up on Instagram or TikTok, I'll probably be posting them on both. Then you can see the finished result with all of them. I actually loved like how the whole vibe was. I'm definitely using this wall more, but yeah, you guys, I am so exhausted and all I have left to do today is to really just edit. I need to edit a campaign with a brand, and then also I'm gonna try to edit some YouTube videos as well as those videos that I just took. And that's also exactly why I have designated content days. Like, I don't get ready every single day, hell no. I make sure to like batch reels, batch photos, batch, you know, all of these different things and videos and stuff, so that way I'm not constantly having to get ready, you know. Like, I probably get ready maybe once a week. If I had to get ready every single day, I would probably cry. Like, that's just not the life for me. So now I'm gonna put all of this stuff away and get to editing. Okay guys, so these are the lashes that I was talking about, the Flutter Habit, the Flirt Luxe Faux Mink eyelashes. This is what they look like. Obviously I have used some pairs, but it shows you like a instruction, like step by step, and then also I have the glue. It's called Made for This 5-Day Under Lash Adhesive. Don't mind the crusty bottle, but that's what it looks like. It lasts you literally so freaking long. And so with that being said, I'll link it for you. Literally everything that I talk about, like, I'll link for you guys, and if I don't, then just like comment it and I will shoot you a link. I do not care to go out of my way and find that for you girlies. But I'm going to put this on, and like it said, it's under lash, so it looks very real to like eyelash extensions. And honestly, like this, the Flirt kind, it is definitely more like bold, but it is a little bit shorter than what I'm used to for lash extensions, but I don't mind because it's still like really pretty. I used to get like 16, 17 like length for eyelash extensions. If you know, you know. And honestly, I feel like they were just too, not necessarily heavy, but they just didn't really fit my face that good, and I was just used to long lashes, like falsies. And honestly, looking back, like I'm like, oh, like no thank you, girly. Also, they have specific ones if you want to like try all of the styles out. It comes in one, or if you want more of like a wispier look, or just, it literally is your preference. But I'll go ahead and link them, and I'm gonna do a little mini tutorial for you guys. Also, if you use tweezers to apply your falsies, then you might want to use tweezers, but I am weird and I just like to use my fingers. I don't know why, but this right here, like obviously you can tell that I don't use all of it. So this time around, I think that I'm going to try to use a little bit more because I don't use 2 segments. No, I don't use one segment. I don't know. I'm just going to try to put them on my lashes. So the main thing is not mixing these up because I would take them off and then like put it down and be like, oh, what eye was that for? So this is what they look like. They look like that, and obviously like see how it's stuck to my finger. I need to remove the adhesive that came with it, and then because that right there is going to go under, and adhesive would be under your lash, so you don't want anything to stick, and you also don't want like your foundation or any kind of powder to get stuck, because then it'll make your lashes look like you. But I have been obsessed with these just because I am a busy freaking girl, and like I just don't have time for that sometimes, to go and sit down and get lash extensions. Also, when I'm in a pinch and I have to film something really quick, or I have a photo shoot, or you know, obviously I work on social media, so it's kind of like, ugh, I need to make sure that I'm good and ready and looking good a lot of the time. So if I can't get a fill, or if it doesn't work out, then I can just switch to these. Also on vacation, shit, these work really good. Okay, so you have to be careful when you dispense it, but obviously you see that it's that way. Oh, focus. So I'm gonna apply it like right there on top. I start from the outer in. Always let it dry. If you know how to apply falsies, it's the same exact thing. Let it get tacky, or else it's literally just gonna fall all over the place or smudge all over the place. I have a mirror down here, but so this is what it looks like with 2 segments on right now. Also, last thing I'm going to do, I'm going to make sure that they're all the way dried, but I'm going to curl them a little bit. And now we are off to Target. So when I tell people I live in California, this is what I mean. Oh my god, I can get lost in the clearance aisle. Oh my goodness, these are literally my faves. So yes, I did a Target pickup too. Honestly, I have a really bad habit of doing that. Going and picking an order up and then going and shopping in the store, but that is what I got. So I may or may not have gone to Chili's just for chips and salsa. I am a whore for chips and salsa. So I started today off by finishing up some things for my jewelry boutique. We are about to drop a new collab. By the time that you see this, it will already be live. I'll make sure to link it. But I'm collabing with my bestie and her boutique, ACB. These are just a couple things that are coming in, and I'm so excited because they're so pretty. I'm also bringing in a couple statement necklaces, and you guys, I'm obsessed with gold jewelry. This is definitely one of my passion projects. So therapeutic too, but I'm finishing that up, and then afterwards, I'm going and diving into all of my coaching business behind the scenes work that has to be done on all the, you know, boring stuff. And then I decided to take a quick break and have some cowboy caviar that I made not too bad for the first time. Then I decided to go back in after my break and finish up some things, and yeah. All right, y'all, so now I'm gonna finish up my work day, even though it's not really finished. It's just all the stuff that I need to do here, talking wise, I guess you can say. So I'm gonna finish up my work day with a few calls, and then I'm going to work from my phone for the rest of the day today. But yeah, I will check in with you guys soon. Okay, y'all, so I'm now changed. We're gonna go ahead and film some content with the Blissy pillowcase. What I have to do is basically make a reel for Instagram and then take about 2 photos with just a pillow. So I'm gonna take the photos and then I'm going to show you guys a little behind the scenes of creating the video. So like I said, I have to make a video for the Blissy campaign, but just a little like tip for y'all, if you want to make more like professional like videos, what I typically do is I'm going to be sitting down over there. What I'm going to do is I'm going to bring it all the way back. I'm going to go into my camera app. I'm literally going to zoom in. So I don't know if you can see that good, but basically I'm going to zoom in. And when you zoom in, it gives it basically like a better quality. Also, before I forget, I am using the Lens Buddy app. Basically, you get to pick when it shoots, how long it shoots, how many pictures you want to take. So it shoots every 0.5 seconds, but you can choose like 1 second every 2 seconds. So that way you can kind of like just set it up and then go and basically pose, and also choose how many photos you want it to take. So that's the app that I'm going to be using today for the shoot. Okay, so I hope that this lighting is decent. Hi, hello, Editing Kaylee here in the future. Just realized that I did not mention that I went back to Target. Yes, I did. I went to Target for the second time that week, that week. And I am bringing you a try-on haul. So, may have a problem. Yes, but does that matter right now? No. All right, so enjoy. This is the one that was $40. Low-key a Free People dupe. So cute. I'm obsessed with it. But yeah, this is what it looks like. Zips up good. I feel like, I don't know, it's good quality, but at the same time, like a little bit more lightweight. So if I'm going to the beach or something, I can just throw this on. Okay, so this is the black one. I very much love it because of the quality. Ugh, I'm just so obsessed with the length, everything. It was advertised. Oh. Okay, so it kind of washed me out there, but y'all, it is so cute. I know that it's so simple and you're probably like, okay, nothing special. It was advertised as like an acid wash, a black like acid wash, and I think that it's so cute, such good quality, and I cannot wait to wear this with like cute little crop tops underneath and all that. All right, y'all, this is the last one. This one is so cute. It says Nirvana. I honestly love the whole like transitional tie-dye. I don't really have anything like it. I will say I did get a size small. It fits me like a glove, and I know that I think it's like Urban Outfitters or something as well that has like a really cute lime green Nirvana sweatshirt. I'm not sure if you guys have seen it. If you know, you know, or if it even is from there. I'm pretty sure it's from there. But I feel like this right here is like just as good. It's so cute. But yeah, you guys, that is my little try on haul. Also, I'm obsessed with this brand of bras. I like to get the like no like underwire ones. Is in the Auden brand. That's what it looks like right there, and they're usually super good price. Like this was only 15 bucks. But I love it so much just because it's like if I want to throw it under like a sweatshirt or something. Okay, go ahead and focus. But if I want to wear it under a sweatshirt or something, it's just so cute. I have like the black version, but it's a bit different. I just love it so much. It's so comfortable. Alright, y'all, so it is the next day. We are going to be going to a concert. I'm actually working with a ticket company brand, and they sent me some free tickets to go watch a local like outdoor like concert type thing. So I'm super excited. This is the fit. I just have some jeans, and then I have this super cute brown bodysuit. I'm actually not wearing a bra, and I'm actually wearing like boob tape. So period. If you want to see which boob tape it is, go look at my TikTok. But yeah, you guys, I did some cute little bubble braids on each side. And then I did like a couple just normal braids. But yeah, we're gonna go do that. Also, y'all, my books came pretty fast. They came in like 2 different shipments. I will say that like I wiped down everything, I disinfected them. They're overall in pretty freaking good shape. You can order them like completely new, like new, barely used, good, decent quality. But yeah, y'all, I'm so excited. I literally got 8 whole ass books for under $40, and on Amazon it was like over 100. So period, point blank period. And if you want to order off of the website, I actually have a link down in the description that basically once you order $30 or more, then you get a free book on me. So yeah, you guys, I freaking love it. Also picked up this super cute like 21 inch carry-on suitcase. I got it from Target, and select pieces of luggage were 50% off, so I literally got it for like 45 bucks, which is so awesome. I love the color. It's like in a tan. It looks almost white. I feel like it's cream, definitely not tan. But yeah, you guys, I went and picked her up. Oh, you can even see. Like, imagine if I were to just put my little like tote bag and then like walk around with it. I'm like literally notorious for packing way too much, but I will say I do end up using everything, so I'm not really upset about it. And my full-time job is content creation, so nobody can really get mad at me. But I will say that like, I don't know, it just looks so fun to be able to fit everything and a little mini luggage. Like, look at how cute that is.
We are so glad to be opening up for Riley Green tonight, man. The county line.
Hey guys, so we are now shooting for the boutique. We found a super cute location that definitely fits with our aesthetic, so you're gonna see on Instagram a few of these backgrounds. Yeah, you guys, I'm obsessed. This is definitely a long-awaited collection. We are doing a collab again with my jewelry boutique and my best friend's boutique with clothing. So this right here is one of my pieces, as well as this necklace, and then this is one of the tanks that is literally so freaking cute. I honestly don't really gravitate much towards like the one shoulder, but I'm really truly obsessed with it. There are a ton of other cute pieces, but you're gonna have to go and check us out. I'll go ahead and put both of our handles so that way you can go ahead and shop. But yeah, you guys, I will see you on the next video.